Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got the most gorgeous Stella McCartney to show you today. So this is a Stella McCartney Falabella and it's in this beautiful soft vegetarian suede and it's got that kind of vintagey crinkled look to it. And then we've got those iconic chain straps and the little Stella McCartney little tag there too. The main bag has a press stud fastened opening. So I'll open that up and show you inside there. So inside we've got that fabric lining and then we have one flat pocket just here, and on the opposite side we've got one zipped pocket, and then you can see we've also got this little chain strap which is removable and it's attached to this super cute little zipped pouch as well. So the condition of this one, we have called the exterior and the interior and the hardware all very good. The exterior has got very minimal signs of use to it. There's no particular kind of marks or anything like that for me to show you. And the reason we called it very good is you can tell it's not brand new and it has been used before, but there is nothing in particular for me to show you because it is in a really nice condition. Again, with the hardware, it's in a beautiful condition. You can see how shiny and gorgeous it all is. And there's just hairline scratching and little marks on that little Stella McCartney tag, so that is why we have called the hardware very good. The interior, again, there's no particular marks for me to show you inside. You can just tell that it has been used before. It's been a loved bag, but loved in a very gorgeous condition, so that is why we called the interior very good. It comes with a few bits, so I'll pop this on my shoulder and show you what it comes with. So we've got the Stella McCartney envelope, and that has inside two Stella McCartney fabric cards. So just here we've got two there, and then we also have the Stella McCartney product tag little card there too. And then finally we've got the Stella McCartney dust bag. So the exact measurements for this Falabella are going to be on our website. So if you click the link in the description below, that is the link to shop this exact bag on armcandybagco.com. That link doesn't take you directly to this bag, and it just takes you to our generic product page. I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can go onto. So if you love this bag and you get to our website and it's gone, don't worry, just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know how much you love this and we'll get you on our request list. And that just means as soon as we get in another one, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. Exact measurements again are going to be on the website. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and that gets you 5% off your first purchase, or £50 over £1,000 purchases. So don't miss out on that discount code. As I said, exact measurements on the website, but I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So those chain straps just fit perfectly on your shoulder like that, and it's such a gorgeous and flexible bag, and that vegetarian suede just feels so soft. And again, it's in that kind of vintage crinkly look, so it's just going to lend itself to age and to use, and just keep getting better as you use it. And I love the kind of chain features as well. It's just super blingy, especially in this lovely silver hardware. Super blingy, super shiny. So if you're looking for a gorgeous bag like this Falabella, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. If you're interested in selling any of your bags, we'd love to see what we've got for us, and all the details you need to know about the process are on there. So have a read through that, and don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.